The emergence of YouTube Shorts has resulted in a crowded landscape, posing challenges for new creators aiming to distinguish themselves in a sea of similar content. Therefore, adopting innovative strategies is essential for thriving in this competitive atmosphere. Creating engaging material, such as quizzes and riddles, significantly boosts viewer interaction and watch time. These factors are crucial for monetization, as understanding audience preferences can effectively propel channel growth. The monetization opportunities presented by YouTube Shorts allow creators to earn income without the burden of producing lengthy videos. Focusing on short-form content aligns seamlessly with current audience trends. To foster engagement with riddles, it's important to offer clear options, ensuring participants can easily enjoy the challenge. Each riddle should include 3 choices, with only one correct answer, to enhance the experience. Organizing riddles in a Google Sheet facilitates effective content management. This approach allows for simple adjustments and ensures a coherent presentation throughout your material. Utilizing design tools like Canva can elevate the visual appeal of your riddles. By integrating animations and illustrations, you create a more captivating experience for your audience. Selecting appropriate background effects in relation to text size is vital for maintaining visual appeal. This careful choice prevents elements from becoming overwhelming or too subtle for viewers. Incorporating animations and timers enhances viewer excitement, sustaining their engagement throughout the video. Strategically adding these elements can substantially enrich the overall viewing experience. Automating the design process with tools like Canva's Bulk Create feature can save time and streamline workflows. By connecting data points to text elements, you simplify the entire creative process. Adjusting backgrounds and color schemes enhances the visual appeal of YouTube Shorts, keeping viewer interest alive across various videos. This level of customization is vital for effective branding. Establishing a YouTube channel demands careful consideration of elements like titles, descriptions, and tags, which greatly influence searchability and viewer engagement. Finally, maintaining consistency in content uploads is crucial for audience growth on YouTube. Experimenting with AI-generated concepts can unlock creative breakthroughs and improve overall performance.